Fun either way. Paper, cup, even on Rubik's Cube on this angle, not on this angle. So what if I would turn the cup on this angle? And inside, where is the... Anyways, gotta take a break. Okay, this is codes. These are codes. I'm not making them up. I'm showing you how I will decipher this. This row here is 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, 19, 22, 25. In fact, let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, etc. All the diamonds are what's in black. Okay, so if you notice the first row on the left, 1, 7, 16, 19, 19, 1 and 9 is 10 is 1, 5 and 2 is 7. So you go 1, 7, 7, 1, 7, 1. But in 19, that is a 10, 7. It is the beginning of the next rounds. Over here where it's 10, it's in black, because that's 1 and 0, and that's the beginning of the next round. Over here, it is not the beginning of next round, but 30 comes with 27. It must come with something 0, and then over here, 20 comes in the same color black. There is no 40. We have 10, 20, and 30. 10 comes in the mix with 13. 2 of them. 2 of them. 2 of them. Then when it comes to the even amount, you have 2 of them over here. And then when you have 28, 28, 29, you have this cycle over here. It'll create a diamond and angle, almost like the flag. This area and this area will almost make the reboot sign and the sign of Brazil. So you would have all zeros are spaces. I can put voids, but I need something in the area, meaning it's not from the same type. 1, 0, 7, 0, 7, 1. This one over here is your 10 area. Then there's a space, 7, 0, 7. Row number 2, 0, 5, 0, 0, 5, 0, 0, 5, 0, 0, 5, 0. That's right. Only number 5 is in the center. All the other ones are black. Over here, and 5, 10, 15, the total of 20. 2 and 8. 2 and 8 equals to 10. And 2 again, 12. And 5, excuse me, and 8. And 2 and 8. Anyways, we're going to get to that in a minute. What's in between here is this row over here. 2082, 2082, 2082. Actually, the reverse of that is 2018. Okay, remember I told you 2001, you're 2018. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. That's what you have in this row over here. Is a total of 60. 60's on the timer. 147007, and the in-between is where 0 is, you'll have 1. Where 4 is, you had nothing there, you have 4. Then it's 7. Now, should I be using zeros because of the high and the low, or should I be using A and B because it's, or A and C because it's first and third? Then it's not first, it's not second, it's third. And then it's first, and it's not second, and it's third. Counting this way, it is first, it is not second or third, it is first, it is not second, it is third. Over here, 3093, 3093, Earth, Saturn, creation, 3093, 12, 12, 12, 36, and 1248, the Sun. 38, 48, 58, 66, 73, 80, 87. 2 sides. I'm hoping I got that number right. Okay, there should be 4 of each. 1, 2, 3, excuse me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the second one. That's a total of 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. There should have been 18 numbers. Did I miss one? Oh, yeah, the one over here, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 red and 18 black. Now, on the black side, you have 4, 0, 4, 0, communication. 14 and 10. The Antichrist comes on the 4th or the 14th. They can't figure it out because 1 is all the center of everything. And you multiply it and multiply it and multiply it by itself forever and it stays the same. 0, 4, 0, 1, 4, 0, 0, 4, 0, 1, 4. Why does this do this? Because in this area over here, the 10, 1 plus 0 is a black key. 1 plus 9, 10 is a red key. 2 plus 8 is a black key. The 1 splits it. Splits it here and it splits it here. 2, 0, 2082, 2082. If all zeros equal 6, we would have to switch all of these. Okay, unless it's different between 3, 6, and 9. Let's figure this out. 3 times 4 is 12, 1 and 2 is 3. Let's go into the center here. This number is 8. 3 times 8 is 24, 2 and 4 is 6, and any number times 3 is 9, so we end up with 3 in the first row, 6 in the second row, and 9 in the third row, unless we just say 0 equals 6 for all of them, depending on the equation we work with. Now, when we minus and add, we would end up over here with 2 and 4. 4, 5, Sun, Fox, Creation, Gateway, Electric Company, in Jupiter, Creation, C&E, 7 and 4. Why is it so different everywhere? Because they switch. Over here is 7. Over here is 7. Right here is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4 is 7 over here. The next one is 1. Okay, but it is circled. It is circled to 1. So I put 3 and 1 is 4. 1070, the reason is this one becomes black. This one is the red. Okay? There is no other red. There's only one red. Besides 1, this is the only other one. That's why 1 and 3 is 4 here, 1 and 3 is 4 here. But the rotation is not there. You see it be 5, 7, 4, 5. You'd have to say 7, 4, 5 to begin this. Start with 7. 4, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7. 7, 4, 5. The sun, gateway, creation, and earth. This one over here, using only the minus and the plus area. Now, what I did in this one is I used 8. I'm not sure why I wrote 8. It should have been 2, because the only one in the first row is 2 over here. There's 1 and 3, and it's 0 and 0, but I put 8 because 0 equals 6, so I made a mistake, right? So this would be 2, 1, 8, 3, 1, 8, 2, 1, 8, 3, 1, 8. Creation in the split heaven. 1 and 2, representation of 8 and 9. This is showing us the cycle. What else is it showing us? It's showing us the half-life. This is showing the 24 day of the crossover, because the crossover means I get to 9, and 9 automatically goes with 8, which means I go with 1 and 2, so 9 and 2 creates 11. And 8 and 3 creates the 10, and 8 and 1 creates the 9. And I'm not really explaining that probably the way that it should be created, so we see what these are doing. Now, if we bring them together, 8 plus 4 is 12 equals 3. 1 plus 5 is 6. 8 plus 7 is 15 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. 1 plus 5 is 6. 8 and 7 is 15 is 6. 2 and 4 is 6. 5 and 1 is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 and 8 is 15, 6. 3 and 3 is 6. 1 and 5 is 6. 8 and 7. So we say the gateway in Mars, the creation of the Christ, 2, the red sun, 7 times 8, 56. 2 moons. 56 is 2 moons. But it's also part of something to do with the red sun. I forget what that is. So that's what we get. Now if I minus it, I end up with 4, 4, 1, 0. Let me mark this down. If I minus it, I end up with 4, 4, 1, 0. 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 0, 4, 1. Now, I could have did it 2 ways, and I'm going to show you one of the ways I did it. Every time this area, when I take 8 away from 4, it works. When I take 5 away from this, it doesn't work. So instead of doing that, I'm going to show you a different way to what I just did, and I'm going to do it again. Okay? I at first will minus all the lower of the numbers. When I minus all the lower of the numbers, I end up with 410412, 4104. 4104, 104, 4104, 104. We'll make 3 over here, 4 over here, and we'll put 1 over here. Then we'll just go 1, 4, 3, so we'll end up with 5, 6, 5. 4, 5, 9, 9. Add 6 equals to 15. 1 and 5 is 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Alan? This is the way it goes. In the 7 world, this is 202, 1, 202. So we're going to bring this as 2 to the 7 world. We are going to bring it as 5 and 8. This one over here, we will bring as 1, 4, and 7. This one over here, we will bring it at 1, 4, and 7. This one we bring it 1, 4, and 7. This one will bring it 2, 5, and 8. This one will equal 6 and 5. This one will equal 3 and 9. This one will equal 3 and 9. This one will equal 3 and 9. And this one will equal 5 and 6. Did I say 6? This will be 2. This will be 3. This will be 9. This will be 9. This will be 2. 23, 9, 32. That would be that. Okay, now what did I just do? I just go at this. There's so many things. This is EIEIO. This one is communication, 10-4, 41, the DNA, the passage of the 40, the star, 192837. Now, the last way I'm going to do it is I'm going to minus plus it, which means I'm going to take away the top from the bottom. Then I'll vice versa it. 4 plus 8 is 3. 4 minus 8 is 4. 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay? 7 plus 8 is 6. Now, I'm not going to do the whole thing. I'm just going to stop right here. I'm just going to show you. Take away this from this, I get 4. This cannot be taken away from this. I will automatically put it to 6. I can take this away from this. I will put it to 1. I can take this away from this. I can get 0, but we don't want to go in any zeros, so we're going to add it to 6. This one over here and 1 cannot be taken away, so we're going to go up instead of down. This one can be taken away from this one. It'll create a 1. 4
cannot be taken away from 2, so we're going to put it up to 6. 5 cannot be taken away from 1, so we'll put it up to 6. 7 can be taken away 8, it'll equal 1. 3 is 3, make that 6. 6, 7, 6, two sides. 3, 3, show you two sides. 6, 6, 6, 7, 6, gematria. 5 cannot be taken away from 1, make it 6. 7 can be taken away from that, make it 1. And the total answer to this is 4, 6, 1, 6, 6, 1, 6, 6, 1. 1991 to 2021 equals to a total of 30 years in creation. 1967 is 33, and 21 equals creation of the sun. Man in his world, 33, plus 21 the cube. This is your division of 313 equaling to 7, and 313 equaling to 7. You need these two, and you need these two. Aye, aye, Captain Raphael, thank you for watching this video. This is, by the way, the roulette board, and it makes full of designs in it. Thank you for watching. 28, 29, 57 the moon, 10, 13, 23 creation. Man walks.